Class 3. Hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will be reading the new chapter 4, soil. As soil is the topmost layer of the earth surface on which plants grow. It can be seen in a garden or a field. Soil is very important for plants. Without soil, there would be no grass, no crop, no trees, and no food for us or other animals. So, what is soil? How soil is formed? Now, in this chapter, we will be reading about the soil. What is soil? Soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks into smaller pieces. Earth is made up of different kinds of rocks. You all know that our earth has been gifted with different kinds of rocks. So how the soil is made? Soil is made from that rock. Over a period of 100,000 years, the rocks were heated by sun's heat and cooled by the rain and wind. Thus, the rocks got weathered, that is, they started breaking into small pieces. These small rocks pieces were carried to different places by the wind and the rain and water. Slowly, with the passage of time, these small pieces rubbed against each other and resulted in the formation of soil. Thus, the formation of soil is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. So, when the rock is being cut into the smaller pieces, then in that case the soil is formed. So, formation of soil is very slow process, but without soil we cannot live. Now, what does soil contain? Soil contains tiny pieces of rock, sand, water, air, clay, and humus. Let us perform some activities to see what the soil contains. Okay, student, we will be doing this activity in our class. We will be collecting some soil from the garden, and like this we will keep it in the beaker. You all will be doing this activity 1 at your home, as you are at home. So, do try this exercise, everyone. Now, a layer of sand and then layer of clay. Then there is layer of muddy water. You will also see dead plants floating on the top. This layer is called humus. Thus, we can say that soil contains humus, muddy water, clay, sand, and pebbles. Now, come to activity 2. Soil contains water or moisture. As you all know that you all have done this thing when when you see sometime take some soil from the garden and put it in the vessel, cover it with the lid, heat the vessel slowly on a burner, remove the lid and observe. You will see tiny drops of water. Where did this water come from? When the soil became hot, the water inside it changes into vapor. The vapor rose up to the lid. On touching the lid, this vapor cooled. The cooled vapor changed into tiny drops of water. This shows that soil contains water. Now, with the help of activity 3, we come to know that soil contains air. Take some soil in a jar, add water to it. What you observe, you will see air bubbles coming up. This is because there is air trapped in the soil. The air escapes from the soil as bubbles. So, we can say that soil contains air. Okay, after observing these activities, we all are very clear that soil contains air, soil contains water and moisture. Now, we will be reading about types of soil. There are 3 main types of soil. Let's study: sandy soil, clayey soil, loamy soil. Sandy soil contains a lot of water. It holds very little water. So, sandy soil is not good for growing plants. Sandy soil is mostly found in desert. Only cacti and cacti are grown in this soil. Now clayey soil. Clayey soil is very sticky. There is no space and no air between the particle of clayey soil. It can hold a lot of water. So clayey soil is also not good for growing plants. It is used by potters to make pots and toys. Now loamy soil. Loamy soil contains silt, sand and clay. It is best for growing crops. It can hold both air and water. It has a lot of humus which make it fertile. Humus gives a dark color to the soil. So loamy soil is good for crops because it is very fertile soil. And what is fertile? Where the things can be grown. Layers of soil. The three layers of soils are topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. Topsoil, the uppermost layer, is called the topsoil. It is rich in minerals and humus. It is dark in color. This layer is soft, porous and can retain more water. Plants grow in this topsoil. So plants are very comfortable in topsoil. Then what is subsoil? The layer below the topsoil is called the subsoil. It is more compact and harder than the topsoil. This layer has lesser amount of humus and more minerals. And what is bedrock? The lowest layer of the soil is called bedrock. It is made up of lumps of rocks. Bedrock is non-porous and harder, which is difficult to dig with a spade. Now what we will read? We will be reading about soil and crops. Different types of crops grow in different types of soil. All crops do not need the same types of soil. Some of them need sandy soil, some needed clayey soil, others needed loamy soil, but all of them grow better when manure is added to the soil. Okay. So here students, all soil, like different types of crops are grown in different soil, but with the help of fertilizer, with the help of manure which can be added to the soil, and we can grow the crops easily. And humus, which makes the soil rich and fertile. Humus helps the soils to become fertile and gives the strength to the soil. This is very easy chapter, student. Go through the chapter and you all have to complete the work, and we will be doing the worksheet and tick the correct option and other exercises. Please do all exercises which are all going to come in your half yearly exam. So be prepared. Have a good day. Thank you.